Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you that exactly how you can create a text outline or text border in Canva. So you don't need to have a Canva Pro account for this. You can do this in Canva free account as well. So before going straight to the video, I will request you that if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as it will help me grow in this platform. So let's go straight to the video. So first of all, go to canva.com, sign into your account, and then click on create a design. So if you want to create a YouTube thumbnail and there you want to have a text border or outline, then just click on YouTube thumbnail. And in this video, I will exactly show you that how I made this thumbnail. So just go to your thumbnail page over here. Now, first of all, we need to have a fire background over here. So just go to google.com and search here fire background image. And once you are here, just click on images and scroll down. And here we have a free pick. So just let it load and then right click and drag it and drop it in your Canva account. So now we have the background for our thumbnail. So just click on this one and now right click on it, this one, and set image as background. So now we have our background over here, and now we need to have a text with an outline. So just go to the text option over here, click on add a headline. So in my case, the text that I want to add it here is secret. Okay, I guess that's more than enough. Now we need to increase the spacing. So just increase the spacing and now select this one as enter. Okay, so now let's increase the spacing of these letters. Okay, that's good. Now we have our text on the image. Let's choose the text color over here. Let's say we want to have a white text with a black outline around it. So once you have the text over here, press Alt key on your keyboard and then drag it. And now we have the exact copy of this text. Now we need to change the color of this text. Let's say we want to have a black outline around the white text. So just click on white. So just click on black. And now we need to include a text effect over here. Just go to effect section and click on hollow, and let's decrease the size a bit. And now we have our text over here. Just drag it and place it over your original text. Okay, so now you can see that we have added a border around our text. So that's how you can do this. Now if you want to add an image that I showed you in the beginning, so just click on this one, increase the size, and that's it. Just bring it to front, and now here is your thumbnail. So I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.